Welcome to a new era of luxury and performance. Today, we're on the cusp of a revelation, a new dawn in automotive excellence. We're about to introduce you to a vehicle that redefines the boundaries of what a luxury SUV can be, the Lexus TX 350. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a testament to innovation, a perfect blend of luxury and performance. This is the SUV that you've been waiting for, the car that will change the way you perceive luxury vehicles. With its sleek design and powerful engine, the Lexus TX 350 is all set to elevate your driving experience. So, buckle up as we prepare to lift the veil off this marvel of engineering. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at the Lexus TX 350. The journey begins here. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just take you places, but elevates your journey to new heights of luxury, comfort, and performance. Welcome to the Lexus TX 350. This isn't merely a car, it's an immersive experience showcasing the pinnacle of automotive innovation. Its sleek design promises an exhilarating drive, with an engine delivering impressive and smooth performance. The interior, teeming with luxurious detail, ensures unmatched comfort. In the luxury SUV market, the TX 350 is a game changer. The Lexus TX 350 not only sets the bar for luxury SUVs, it raises it. Under the hood of the Lexus TX 350, a symphony of engineering prowess comes alive. Nestled within this mechanical masterpiece sits a 3.5-litre V6 engine, an orchestra of pistons, gears, and cylinders, all harmonizing to create a breathtaking 270 horsepower. With such an engine, the Lexus TX 350 doesn't simply start, it awakens. This vehicle doesn't just consume fuel, it sips it delicately, boasting an impressive fuel efficiency that rivals even the most eco-friendly of its competitors. Imagine cruising down the highway, the miles stretching out before you and your fuel gauge barely flinching. That's the kind of efficiency we're talking about here. But let's not limit ourselves to just the highway. Let's talk about the raw performance capabilities of the Lexus TX 350. A 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 7.9 seconds. That's not just fast, that's lightning quick. And with a top speed of 130 miles per hour, the Lexus TX 350 isn't just a car, it's a speed machine. Now let's put this into perspective. The BMW X5, a worthy rival indeed, falls short in comparison. Despite its similar engine size, the BMW X5 simply can't match the Lexus TX 350's superior fuel efficiency and performance capabilities. It's a clear demonstration of Lexus's commitment to excellence, a testament to their relentless pursuit of perfection. The Lexus TX 350 doesn't just surpass expectations, it shatters them. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey, the experience. It's about feeling the roar of the engine, the pull of acceleration, the thrill of speed. It's about commanding the road, not just traversing it. With such power and performance, the Lexus TX 350 is not just a mode of transport, but a thrilling experience on wheels. Stepping into the Lexus TX 350, you are welcomed into a sanctuary of supreme comfort and cutting-edge technology. Enveloped within the plush sanctum of the Lexus TX 350, you'll discover a realm of pure indulgence. The spaciousness of the interior is nothing short of a revelation, offering ample room for all occupants to stretch out and savor the journey. Luxurious leather seats, meticulously stitched with precision, cradle you in comfort, while the hushed silence within the cabin lends an air of tranquility, setting the stage for a journey like no other. The materials used in the cabin are second to none. The handcrafted wood trim, polished to a gleaming perfection, exudes an aura of timeless elegance. The tactile sensation of the brushed metal detailing, cool to the touch, adds an understated sophistication to the overall experience. As your hands glide over the supple leather steering wheel, your fingers will naturally find their way to the intuitive controls. These allow you to manipulate the advanced infotainment system without distracting from the road ahead. This technology-rich system is a veritable hub of connectivity, offering seamless integration with your devices and providing access to a multitude of features designed to enhance your journey. In the Lexus TX 350, you'll find a symphony of technology at your fingertips. From the high-resolution display that brings your favorite media to life, to the state-of-the-art navigation system that ensures you're never lost, every element is designed to deliver an immersive experience. The acoustics of the premium sound system fill the cabin, turning every drive into a personal concert. But it's not just about entertainment. The Lexus TX 350 is committed to your safety as well. The advanced driver assistance features provide an extra layer of protection, acting as your silent co-pilot, monitoring the road conditions and alerting you to potential hazards. Inside the Lexus TX 350, every journey becomes an experience of unparalleled luxury. From the refined materials to the advanced technology, every detail within this remarkable vehicle is designed with your ultimate comfort and enjoyment in mind. With the Lexus TX 350, you're not just driving, you're embarking on an unforgettable journey. With the Lexus TX 350, every journey is an adventure waiting to unfold. The open road is calling, and the Lexus TX 350 answers. Its off-road capabilities are nothing short of impressive. Considered one of the most capable vehicles in its class, this machine has been designed to tackle everything from the most rugged, untamed terrains to the smoothest highways. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures that no road is too challenging, while the adaptive variable suspension provides an unparalleled smoothness, even on the roughest terrains. Now, let's not forget about safety. The Lexus TX 350 is equipped with an array of state-of-the-art safety features such as the Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0. This comprehensive safety suite includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and more. These features work in harmony, providing the driver with a sense of security and peace of mind, no matter the journey. But what truly sets the Lexus TX 350 apart is its smooth and comfortable ride. The meticulously crafted interior ensures maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The spacious cabin, filled with high-quality materials and innovative technologies, offers a serene oasis, even amidst the hustle and bustle of urban commutes or the unpredictability of adventurous road trips. The Lexus TX 350 is not just a car, it's an experience. It's the feeling of the open road beneath you, the wind in your hair, and the thrill of the unknown around the corner. It's about the promise of adventure, the joy of exploration, and the satisfaction of a journey well-traveled. This vehicle doesn't just take you from point A to point B. It's a partner in your journey, a companion in your adventures. Whether you're navigating the concrete jungle or exploring the great outdoors, the Lexus TX 350 has got your back. The Lexus TX 350, your companion for every adventure, every journey, every day. The Lexus TX 350 is more than just a vehicle. It's a testament to Lexus's commitment to luxury, performance, and innovation. This marvel of automotive engineering encapsulates the very essence of Lexus's enduring legacy. Its superior features set the bar high in the luxury SUV segment. From the roar of the power-packed engine under the hood to the serene comfort of its plush interiors, the TX 350 delivers an unmatched driving experience. The advanced technological innovations embedded within this vehicle provide a seamless blend of comfort and control, making every journey a pleasure. Its superior performance on the road, as well as off it, speaks volumes about Lexus's commitment to delivering a versatile driving experience. The Lexus TX 350 is not just a car, it's a symbol of sophistication, a beacon of innovation, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection. In the Lexus TX 350, the legacy of Lexus continues, setting new standards in the world of luxury SUVs.